Headline News, I'm Marilyn Ringo. Nature is giving thousands of Americans the chills. Temperatures plunged into the single digits across much of New England and the Midwest Sunday, and snow blanketed the region. Frigid weather closed roads, froze pipes, and crowded homeless shelters in many cities. Buffalo, New York had its whitest Christmas ever, getting a record 18 inches of snow. Residents of Cleveland's eastern suburbs saw 15 inches of snow. The snow and ice shut down a section of Interstate 271, the city's beltway, for several hours Sunday. And getting home was a headache for those who had long distances to travel. Chicago's O'Hare Airport and several other major airports experienced weather-related delays. The Weather Service says the cold weather probably will continue at least through Thursday.